All right, Menina. This looks like a hair dryer. What I got in
Yes,
my
be
hand?
careful because that is not a hair dryer. This is a hair killer.
It's a hair killer, actually. This is a laser. So this, if you talk about tech, today we have some good tech on the channel.
Yes.
This is a laser hair remover.
Correct.
Very interesting machine, though.
Yes.
All right, let's begin now. Happy doing, everyone. This is Dario from MediaBoxENT, and today we bring some weird tech on the channel. All right. Yes, Menina?
We have some cool tech. This is a painless permanent IPL hair removal system. Home use, and this is a very smart choice.
Yeah, I mean, you save some money. So let's see what we get here, and then we go over. So we get the full instruction. They tell you how the whole hair removal works, how the hair and show you here the machine and everything. So we got a free razor. I would recommend get your own one. Those are so. And what else we get? We get the Men in Black type of style. Make sure you guys use this. Very important because it's laser, no joke. So we need to use this. So we get the power supply. And I see this is 110 and 240. Yes, 110, 240. So you can use it anywhere in the world. We plug it in. And let's bring the machine up. And it looks like a hair dryer type.
But it's not.
Now, so here we got the cold pad. So what happened with this, it will get cold. So we see here on the side, we get the temperature start on and off and power. So I'm going to plug it in. And this one has 400,000 flashes.
Correct.
That means the laser can shoot 400,000 times.
And it will last, you know how long?
How long? I'm going to turn it on.
Crazy, 15 years. And if you use it only in small places, 35 years.
Yes. Let me see. We can see. Actually, this one has 400 times. 478. A little hard to see that. Maybe let me turn off the light. So we see right on the screen how many times to flash the temperature. It's the green light, Celsius, and the fan. So let us see. So if we press cool here, plus and minus, see, it will show you there. And that's the coldest temperature. So what happened now, this thing is getting cold. So we can go here and use it to cool off your skin. All right, if you feel it's going to get warm later on, it will get warm. So you just hold like this and it gets real cold, and then you shoot the flash. Now if we press on and off here, we can set up how much power of the laser you want. That's real powerful, so it will burn more or you go lower. So I'm going to go lower. Going to use my glass.
That's a good idea. And the pulse works under the skin surface to target the hairs at the root, helping the hairs not to grow again.
Yes. So we need to press the start button. We're going to leave it pressed. All right. So let me see right there. We're going to leave it pressed. It's a little hard because it started. And now it's pressed. So you see that orange light is on. So we're going to go and shoot. Yeah. So every time there's a big flash. So let's turn on the lights. Okay, Men in Black, I'm back. All
yes,
right.
and you know what? You will experience an 8 weeks of wonderful hairless life.
Make sure we turn it off.
After only 6 weeks of treatment.
Yeah, because it's still on there. Yes, and then you press the stop button again, and that turns off. Make sure. But the nice thing, it has a sensor, so only shoots when it touches the skin. All right. And you have to make sure you put it straight 90 degrees. Do not
90 degrees.
Yeah, do not go like this or anything.
Or
it's
sideways,
just,
yes. Otherwise, you're gonna take the cat's hair out or something like that.
And technically, once it's on, when you start moving, this thing will keep flashing. I just there for a second. I don't want to remove my hair. It's going to look like a patch here or missing. So technically, you just move, and then automatically, well, see, it has a sensor there. When I move, I see the blue light blinking because it takes it. But I turn off the sensor. One thing very important, when you're going to use this, you use a tray All right, do not try to go
Do it
like
sideways.
this onto the side. And the nice thing is, after you press the button here and the only blue light show up, if you get the yellow light, it means be careful because the thing is on. Now the nice thing only activates when you touch it to the skin. Now one nice thing too, if you think about it, a full treatment costs you about $2,500, and it takes about a year and a half maybe, because you're going to do first month you do every few weeks, then you have to do it every 3 months, and the whole treatment takes about a year. You have to go and visit laser place.
Hair removal place.
Yes, it takes about a year, and then you will spend about $2,500. The nice thing too, you're going to do this privacy of your house or your home, and some people may be embarrassed to go there and do some body parts, and you can just go in and just do it in your house. It only costs you less than one visit. So when we talk about tech, I think it's a pretty cool tech. I'm not aware there was such thing, and so small
Until I found it.
right, until we find it, until she find it. But this is for guys and girls, so for
Because
anyone.
we all have hair after all.
Yeah, it's all out here. So Menina, I want to get not one. I want to get 3 of this, so I can shoot
Just use the click.
2 at the same time.
Just use the link below the video.
All right, thank you.